Alright, what we got here is a granny fan. Zach picked this up. He figured we'd test it at my house, so here it is. I really like this thing. Pretty cool, honestly. It's got the floral print blades and the floral print milk glass. And I added this light to it because I thought it would match it good. It's a three-way light. And this has its own pull chain. You got 3 pull chains. You got light, up light, and the fan itself. So there's low on the fan. I guess we could leave that on for the video. I really like this fan. Honestly, wouldn't mind putting this up in my living room. Got a nice low. Not too fast, not too slow. I mean, this is honestly kind of the kind of low I like. I don't like really slow ones. I don't know, it just depends. Some settings it looks good, some it doesn't. Use medium. Probably want to shake a little bit on medium. And one of the globes is buzzing. I believe the OEM is air cool. It's sold at Menards. And high. Turn all the lights on. It runs pretty nice. Moves some really good air. And it's a little out of balance. You can see one of the blades is kind of tweaked a little bit. But it is what it is. And we'll shut her down. Got good bearings, but the spin down doesn't seem very long. Got anything you need to add, Zach?
It's mine, I guess. Big granny fan if I've ever seen one.
This is definitely granny. If I've ever seen it.
And Tori wants to steal it from me so badly.
I kind of do. This would look really good in my living room. I like the U52, but this would look really nice there.
She's telling me it was sold at Menards.
Yeah, I don't think I said that yet. It was sold in
You can
Menards.
get it from me, but you can zoom in on the front of that box up there.
Yeah, that's what's left of the box, if you can see it. It's a Menards special. Not sure what the name of it would have been, but... Or if Menards actually had names for fans back then, but... There you go, there's the Air Cool Menards lighted housing floral print granny fan. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.